Good day everyone, Jeff here with MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks. Today we're sitting on a 400 SLX. I want to take you through the performance package that's come out with these twin 600s. We'll get to that in a second. But first, while we got the shade, I want to show you, this one is equipped with the E-Fathom power technology. It's kind of a differently loaded option boat here that we brought into MarineMax. No generator on this boat. 9 lithium-ion batteries on the boat to control all the systems on the boat. And this baby even comes equipped with a Seakeeper. So a little bit different option package that we have here at MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks for the Sea Ray 400 SLX. But the main point of our video today is to go ahead and show you how much different of a ride comes with a power plant such as these. This is a Mercury V12 600s. Absolutely gorgeous. A lot of people say the negative is taking away the swim platform on this boat. We'll get out there and we'll show you how the 400 SLX makes up for that with this power plant. Come on aboard.
Listen to how quiet these V12 600s are.
Alright guys, as we pull out and head out to the main channel of the lake, just a couple things I want to point out to you as we go out on these outboards that I've noticed has made a huge difference in this luxury day boat by Sea Ray. You've got all the fine amenities offered. The boat runs solid, it runs smooth, and it doesn't take time to plane at all.
And this is one of the few boats here that actually has gotten a nickname from the clients. The only boat that I know of as the ultimate entertainer. And now let me tell you why. Look at this folding gun. This comes out, so with the outboards you get the usability of everybody having a nice place to hang out, but yet you're still able to use this all throughout the winter if you'd like to. Now, more on the entertainer concept, look at all this wraparound seating. You've got the refrigerators, you've got the grills, you've got the sink, trash cans, you've got the opening sunshade, you've got the extended sunshade there in the transom. Lots of wonderful features on this boat. And what's additionally great is you've got this swivel seat here. Really easy, pull this, now everybody can be together. Great spot, great boat here at Lake of the Ozarks.
Guys, as I mentioned, this one does have a Seakeeper in the boat. Seakeeper is going to basically keep the boat riding level, not rolling with any waves that you may have on a busy day. Obviously today we don't have those conditions, so we're going to go ahead and get her all playing. Hey guys, come on and check us out. Come on in for a boat ride. Take a run in this Sea Ray 400 SLX. We've got the 310s, we've got a 350, and we've got another 400 on the way. Guys, these are absolute joy to drive. You have to just come take a spin. Jeff, MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks. Look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks.
Come by and see us, like Jeff said. We've got other models, so if you want to go out for a spin and see how these boats perform, our number is 573-365-5382. Come by and see us. Thanks and have a great day.